So I don't know if we're getting a mirror image on that cottonwood there. It looks like mirror image.
You just have to flip it around.
This is our backwards version of a trailhead here.
Yeah, okay.
We would tell you our agenda, but then we'd have to actually commit to do it. So we're going to tell you our agenda actually after we have done it.
Yeah, because we have more than one agenda.
Yeah, we do. Oh, thank God they have signage.
Yeah, which way do we go? Where's that snow? Oh, hey, there's some.
There is some snow here. Make sure you bring traction devices. Be warned.
Hey,
The rain has begun. When does that ever happen? You just finished filling up your air mattress and it starts raining. Well, yesterday we were checking to say what we were going to do because, you know, we had some crazy whack job idea we were going to do Langley.
right.
There's a snowstorm coming Sunday, Monday, supposed to dump 8 inches on Langley.
So we're not going to do it.
Now, we're doing New Army Pass. You can hardly see it's right over John's shoulder there. So,
Hopefully there's not a bunch of snow up there. But
yes,
we're going to find out, huh?
we're going to. We're armed for bear. Oh, there is Army Pass. Not going to do that. Not going to do Langley. This is the list of what we're not going to do. Oh, the end is in sight. Look at this precariously perched boulder. And over there, a nice corniced summit of New Army Pass. This is an exhibit of the nothing we've been doing today since we decided to bag out on the peaks. There's the switchbacks for New Army Pass. You get one little traverse here on the snow, so it's definitely worth the micro spikes. We're here with John, and I will get a photo of you. Smile for the camera.
I'm tired.
We're just checking off them 12Kers. Forget about it. Look at this animal.
It was hard. I don't know if I can get up from here. It's going to be tough.
The forbidding Langley looms in the foreground. The anticipated storm rolling in. And the 8 inches of snow. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. The 8 inches of snow anticipated has deterred our adventurers from today's traverse. Dun dun dun!
Oh boy.
Ain't happening. forecasted 40% chance of rain. We're in the upper 30s today. Heading toward Chicken Spring Lake.
Here we go. We're about a mile and a half from Chicken Spring Lake. And the sky is threatening, but so far no snow, no rain. Just a few little bits of snow. Nice steps up.
Three layers now?
Yeah, 3 layers. This is just to kind of keep the snow from sticking to me.
That's about it.
M46.
Oh, what might that mean?
Makers 46. Imagine that.
Well, so are we having old fashions?
Yes, we are. Cheers.
Why, cheers. This is like the first person view here. You can see my ugly mug taking my first swig. Cheers. Oh, yeah. Oh, the greatness of that is not lost upon me.
No.
So, we're a little rushed right now. I'm sorry for the... We're a little rushed right now because 20 minutes ago was freezing rain. We woke up to corn snow all day on the trail, which is wonderful. But the freezing rain, that's not a good cocktail
No.
stimulant.
It's not good for dinner. It's not good for anything.
No. Since it's such a rainy, cold day, we're doing soup for dinner.
I'm going to add another 120 calories of EVOO.
And I'm going to add another 120 calories of Maker's 46. So no snow today. Blue sky. Such an amazing view here. Just cresting this summit here. Been hiking for about 8 miles up about 1,200 feet.
comes my water Sherpa.
This is what it's come to, folks, in the Sierras. It's our first water source that we've been able to get to in 11 miles.
What we planned.
Well, we timed that perfectly. Just got our tents all set up. Hailing.
So here I am in my tent, and there's hail and a little bit of rain, and of course it came right when I was getting ready to cook dinner. But it's still cocktail hour, so make do.
Oh, a much welcome swim awaits us. It's laundry day, as I mentioned, and bath day, all combined into one. Oh, going back in's warm. Coming out with the wind is cold, but now that I'm back in, it's warm. Just here on the shores of the Kern River, having my afternoon coffee pick me up, a cookie. There's John over there. He's my guru.
Hardly. You're already packed and I'm still packing.
So it's 6:30, we're ready to rock and roll, blow this popsicle stand. Final day of our 66-mile journey from Cottonwood via New Army Pass to Kennedy Meadows. I thought I'd tell you our agenda now that it's all done, so we didn't have to lie about anything. Good morning, our final day. Getting toward the last few miles here, this wonderful trip. Concluding our glamping tour here, yeah. We're just a little foot soak before we, the pizza and beer and
Get the slime off.
life is rough.
Oh, great. Yeah, that's for the edit line.
All right.